Hey guys, it's Mark High here and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload next, which is every Monday and Friday. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to straighten your hair without heat. So to get from this to this with no heat at all. And I've actually worn this hairstyle in a couple of my other videos, like my shoe collection and my trying out video hacks video. I wore the straight hairstyle and had no heat to it whatsoever. So if you want to find out how to straighten your hair without heat, then just keep on watching. So to start off, you need to take out the hairstyle you're wearing that day. If you're wearing one, I wore a half up, half down ponytail that day because for this hairstyle, you need to have your hair out in order to do it. So once that's done, you want to brush your hair out. You could use a tangle teaser, or I just use that brush and I've forgotten the name of it, but it works really well in detangling my hair because you do not want any knots or tangles in your hair. And because my hair is so thick, there are lots of knots and tangles in it, so it does take a while to brush it all out. And then once it's all brushed out, I just go with my comb to just comb out any last bits of tangles. And that takes a little more time. But then once that's done, you want to spray your hair with water. The reason we're not wetting it or washing it in the shower is because I find that if you do that, your hair can actually turn out a bit frizzy, and we don't particularly want that. So I find it works better if you just spray it wet with a spray bottle, and I actually did it over my bathtub as to not get water all over the floor. But you want to make sure that your hair gets sprayed and that all of it gets water on it. And then once it's all sprayed, you want to just brush it out. I know we just brushed it, but it's really important that you get any knots and tangles out. You do not want any knots or tangles left in your hair. Then once that's done, you want to take bobby pins. What you want to do is just comb the hell out of your hair. You want it to be pretty much straight, but just comb it out. And then once it's been combed out enough, you want to just around your head, or do whatever works best for you, but wrap it around your head and then bobby pin it. This is going to be a whole lot easier if you have long hair, because if you've got my hair length, it'll just fall. It'll fall very easily, so you need a lot of bobby pins for this. But if you have long hair, this is going to be so much easier. And then you just want to keep repeating the process. Use however many it takes to make sure the hair doesn't fall out. But the longer it is, the less bobby pins you'll need. So then just pin up the hair, and if there's any little bits falling out, just make sure you pin those up as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like on me. It'll look a lot better if you have longer hair. But now what you want to do is just grab a scarf. It's best if you use a silk scarf, but I don't have a silk scarf. And you want to just tie it up to your head. But here's the thing, and why this hairstyle works so much better on long hair. If you have long hair, I think you can actually take the pins out because it will just hold there out of the scarf. But if you have shorter hair, it won't be able to hold. But we sleep on it, and then once you take it out in the morning, take the scarf off, and then you want to start just removing the pins. And if you have long hair, you can use less pins. But if you have hair the same length as mine, it's going to take a while to remove all the pins. So once you've gotten the pins out, your hair will look a little crazy, but that's okay because we need to brush it out, and once it's all brushed out, it'll look so much better. And yes, there will be knots and tangles. Even though we've combed the hell out of our hair, there will still be knots and tangles in it. But now we've got straight hair, not particularly perfectly. A flat iron would do a better job, but it is pretty straight hair. it is pretty straight, and I'm happy with how it turned out. So hopefully this will turn out good for you if you want to straighten your hair without heat. And to think we got from this to that is like, it's just impressive. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to comment down below what other types of videos you want me to do on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.